Carvajal. And Ronaldo! Oh, that's special! One of the great Champions League goals from one of the greatest Champions League players. Even by the extraordinary talents of Cristiano Ronaldo.
Has Cristiano Ronaldo still got the legs? Yes, look at him fly. Moves inside Ronaldo! Cristiano Ronaldo! He's in good shape.
That's typical, absolutely brilliant. Turning defence into attack, Real Madrid.
First 40 minutes we've seen. Here's Ronaldo. Oh, it's magnificent! You don't stop those. And Javi Varas was clawing at thin air.
Another flip over the top. PK. Oh, he's lost the ball. Big chance for a second here. Cristiano Ronaldo takes his time. Still got time. Oh, 2-0. Dreadful defending from Barcelona. He had all of the time in the world.
Unbelievable. And just look at Gertie. It's Ronaldo. Hit it well! What a goal! And that's even better than his first. It was simply unstoppable. Breathtaking stuff from Ronaldo.
Kevin, two goalkeepers wouldn't have saved that.
Ronaldo knows what he's doing. And he does it absolutely beautifully. Another special from Cristiano Ronaldo. And he's on to 49. Amongst the Marseille supporters, and why not? It is absolutely magnificent. Right out of the top drawer from Cristiano Ronaldo. And Marseille early on in trouble here at the Stade Velodrome.
Next deflection. It's into the path of Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo turns into trouble. Brilliant footwork. Amazing goal for Cristiano Ronaldo. Vintage Ronaldo.
Because he's so good finishing with both feet. It's not a problem for Ronaldo. Going across goal, goes for power.
2 minutes of the 5 extra having elapsed. Enzo with a clearing header only as far as Di Maria. Then, oh yes! What a goal from Ronaldo! 50 goals up again for Cristiano Ronaldo. How many times does he go to the well and pull Real Madrid? Enzo's corner. Dropping nicely on Ronaldo. Oh, it's brilliant! So typical of Ronaldo. It was wonderful to behold as it was English.